So in today's video, we're going to look at borders. Borders are something that are actually quite difficult to use in VBA. There's numerous settings that you need to set for a border, and there's numerous additional values that you can set. But we're going to go through the three main ones today. So let's step through this code. So here I'm just deleting all the rows. There's nothing there. And then what I'm doing is I'm setting within this area borders, and I'm doing this one at a time. So you'll see the Excel edge left borders come up, and then I'm going to set those as a thick and then the color, and then I'm going to do the next ones, which is the very far, which is the Excel right. So you'll notice when I put those in, if you imagine I'm here and I was to do this manually and I was to go to more borders, I've got the left and the right. So I have to set both of those in the border settings. And then the next one is going to be the top. So there's all the tops, but you can see again on this one down here right now, if I go into border settings, we'll be able to see I've set the top, but I haven't set the bottom. So that's what we're going to do next, and that's going to be number 4. So if I step through that, so you can see I'm missing the bottoms there. So it looks fine on these ones from rows 2 to 5, but row 6 is not complete. So then I go ahead and I move that in, and I set that color, and there we go. So those are all set. So all of these, why I'm setting these, you can set by number, and each number in enumeration is equal to a value, so you have all the different values here. You can also set those by name though. So if I was to select this area, so I'm going to do this by selection. So you can see I'm removing all of the different values, the top, left, right, the inside vertical, outside, and inside horizontal. All those I've removed and set those with no style, so that's why they've all been removed. So, but when I hover over this, you'll see the value here. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So you can set these by name or by number. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.